Hello, my name is Delilah Scamilla, and I'm from Northern New Jersey, originally from New York, but live in Northern New Jersey. I am a critical care nurse and have been for the past 16 years of my life, and want to become a therapist. So I am in the MSW online program to try to obtain that goal. Um, I am a little older. I have a big family. I am a mother of five children, a grandmother of five grandchildren. Um, let's see, I'm a workaholic. Uh, don't have any pets. I love to help people. It's one of my passions. My whole life has been to serve other people, and in that way I help myself. Let's see what else. How do I feel about the MSW program online? I'm a little nervous. The last time I've been in school was in 2004, and that was traditional go to class, lecture halls, study groups and all that. This is something new to me. Fortunately, I have my wonderful children who will help me because I'm not tech savvy at all. And I'm very blessed and lucky to have two of my children who live with me that will help me with this endeavor. I look forward to meeting everybody and hope we have a great semester. Thank you.